So this is the interface for Wababai. Here you have several options. You can change the mode, the dark or light mode. You have another switch here in case you want to receive daily reminders when you have it written during the day. So it can remind you to use and to write your daily dose of Wababai. Then you have other options in the main menu. You can go to the list of projects where you have all the projects, the list of projects you're working on. So these are all the books I'm working on, and then I can go and work into each of those when I click, or I could go into the list of my finished books. These are the books that I've already written with Wababai and I have published. So that's why I have also here the option for those books to, of course, have a look at the book description in case I just want to copy to publish in another way, in another site, or the final manuscript, or I can click to translate into 6 different languages. I can use also social media. For instance, imagine I want to go into social media. I have here a few gems that I've already extracted from the different chapters. Imagine I want to extract a new gem from chapter 3 of using AI as your ghostwriter. Then I could just go here, click on gems, and it's going to generate a number of posts for me, right? I have here 3 posts for Twitter. I could have asked for a particular platform, right? But because I didn't ask, by default, it just chose to give me 3 potential platforms. Then I could even go and edit this so that I can post it directly on any of the other platforms that I want. I could also use rewrite, adapt, proofread. So again, I could just come here, edit it, and generate a post. For instance, that one is extracted from my book, so I remove the rest. If I have my book URL already in this book, which I have in this case, it will add it immediately, and then I can go and just say, okay, go and post it on Twitter, and then I get it on my platform in Twitter, right? So that's how easy it is to post. On top of that, you can access to your book editor. Let's say in case you want Wababai to prompt you to write, or you want to ask about any idea, or give you any idea. Of course, if you want to start a project, just come here and then click on create new project, and then go through the usual workflow to create a new project and have Wababai write or edit it for you. And well, you have also other options like your voices, right, where you have defined the different voices that you might be using. Have here 3 voices that I have defined for my case. It's important also at the beginning that you select on which language you want to write and what is the language for the user interface. And here's where you will have your default writing style, which you can select from any of the voices that we saw before, or you can create a new one, just inputting some text and having Wababai define a voice based on the text that you have provided. So that's a quick overview of the main interface of Wababai. In the next video, we're going to see how you can go into a book, into rewriting a book or creating a book from the start.